Good morning, students. This lesson is for class 3 for the subject of mathematics. In this lesson, we are going to do revision of chapter 1 numbers and chapter 2 addition. This lesson is being submitted to you on 10th of May 2021. Dear students, please be ready for the revision questions based on both these chapters. You need to attempt this revision in your maths notebook. So students, question number 1 is you have to write the number names for the given numerals. The first numeral is 7905 and the second one is 7010. For writing the number name, students, please take proper care while understanding the place value of the given digits. You need to check the place value and then you have to write the number name. For example, in first part, 7 is at thousands place. So, accordingly write the number name as 7000. At hundreds place we have 9. At tens place we don't have any digit and at ones place we have 5. So write the number name accordingly. Now, the B part of this question is you have to write the numeral. Now, the number name is given to you and you have to write the numeral for the given number name. The first one is 1808 and the second one is 6020. Children, see here, only we are having the thousands place. We are having 6 and then is 20. So take proper care which place we are not being given. Fine. So moving on to question number 2. The A part says you have to write the successor of 4000. Students, successor is obtained by adding 1 to the given number. So just add 1 and write down the successor. In the B part, we need to write down the predecessor of the given numbers. Predecessor means the number which comes before a given number. So subtract 1 and write down the predecessor. In question number 3, you need to write down the place value of all digits in 9723. So see the number carefully and then write down the place value of all digits, like the place value of 3, the place value of 2, the place value of 7 and the place value of 9. And you know that the place value of a given number is obtained by multiplying the digit with the place it occupies. So write down the place value of all the digits. Now students, you can pause the lesson here for 5 minutes and attempt these 3 questions in your notebook. The break time is over, children. I hope you all must have written the answers correctly. Let us first check our answers before moving ahead. So in question number 1, the A part is 7905 and the B part is 7010. Part B of question number 1 is 1808, that is 1808, and the second part is 6020, that is 6020, as we were not having any digit at the hundreds and ones place. Now the successor of 4000 is 4001 and then the next answer is 9800. And in the B part, as we need to write down the predecessor, so it is by getting minus by subtracting 1 from the given number. So it is 6059 and 9749. And the answer number 3 is the place value we have to write down. The place value of 3 is 3 as it is at the ones place. The place value of 2 is 20 as 2 is having the tens place. Then the place value of 7 is 700 and the place value of 9 is 9000. So moving to our next set of questions now. We have to write down in the A part, the given numbers are to be arranged in the ascending order. Ascending order means the increasing order. That is, we have to start from the smallest and go to the biggest number. So select the smallest number first and then go to the biggest number. That will be the ascending order. So in B part also, you have to do it in the ascending order, which is having the numbers 7050, 5700, 7500 and 5050. In question number 5, you have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Students, descending means we have to start from the biggest and go to the smallest. So out of the given numbers, first select the biggest number. For example, in the A part, we will just see first the thousands place. The biggest thousand here is 6. So now we will be comparing. 6 is occupied by the two digits here. Two numbers are having 6 at the thousands place. Then we will see the hundreds place. The more hundreds are in 6512. So this will be the biggest, followed by 6125. And then we will compare the other numbers. Fine, children? So do it. Now in question number 6, what we need to do? We have to make the largest and the smallest number, and the digits we need to use are 5, 3, 0 and 7, and it is given that you need not to repeat the digits. Fine. So repetition is not allowed. That means you cannot repeat a digit. So largest number will be formed by arranging the digits in the descending order, and smallest number will be formed by arranging the digits in the ascending order. So please write it down. And in the B part, where repetition of digit is allowed, you have to write down the largest and the smallest 4-digit number. Now, if the repetition is allowed, so while writing the largest number, you just take the largest out of the 4 digits, and that will be your repetition is there, and that will be the largest 4-digit number. And similarly, for the smallest, you need to select the smaller number out of these 4 digits, and you can repeat and you will get the smallest 4-digit number. Students, now attempt these 3 questions, and you may pause the lesson here for 5 minutes. The 5 minutes break is over now. Let us first check our answers to these questions. Answer for the part A, 1568, then 5168, 5658 and 8565. So these are the numbers in the ascending order. And in the B part, 5050, then 5700, 7050 and 7500. Answer number 5, the A part is 6512, 6125, 5216 and 2165. And in the B part, it is 2560, 1265, 1160 and 1075. Now answer number 6, the A part, which is formed, the largest number formed by using the digits 7530 is 753 and 0. And the smallest number formed is 3057. In the B part, as the repetition is allowed, so the largest number formed is 8888 and smallest is 5555. Moving to our next set of questions now. So in question number 7, what we need to do, we have to solve these two addition sums. So first of all, column wise addition is to be done, and wherever you are having in column, if the number is more than 9, then the carryover will be followed. So please take proper care while doing the carryover. In question number 8, you have to arrange the given 3 numbers in columns and then add. Now fine children, as you can see, we are having a 4-digit number also, we are having a 3-digit number also, and we are having a 2-digit number also. So first of all, put the heading as ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and then arrange the digits in columns. Fine. Now, in question number 9, dealing with the story sums or the word problems. I'm going to read the word problem. A part, Rina had 2,118 envelopes. She bought 1,120 more. How many envelopes does she has now? So according to the statement, the first sentence can be total number of envelopes Rina had are 2,118. Then she bought more. How much? 1,120 she bought more. So how many she has now? We have to just add and calculate. And the B part, a wall was made using 1683 bricks. Another wall was made using 2705 bricks. How many bricks were used in all? So here, first of all, bricks used in making one wall are 1683. Bricks using another wall are 2705. So just add up both and you will get the bricks which were used in all. Moving on to the last question, which is the question of estimation. Here, first you have to estimate the sum of 1622 and 2566 by rounding to nearest tens. Children, rounding to nearest tens means you have to look the ones place of the given digits. And as you know the rule, if the ones place is less than 5, there is no change in the number. It is just 1620. We will just change the ones place as 0. But if the ones place is 5 or more than 5, we'll be changing the ones place to 0 and then add 10. So 2566. When rounding to nearest 10 will gives us 2570. So just add and find the estimated answer. In B part also, as you have to estimate the answer to nearest hundreds. So the place to be seen is the tens place and the same rule is to be followed. And in the C part, where we have to estimate to the nearest thousands, we have to see the hundreds place of both the numbers and then solve accordingly following the same rules of estimation. So dear children, please do these revision questions yourself with concentration and understanding. So here I am ending this interactive lesson. Answer key to this set of questions will be provided to you on Thursday. Thank you, students.